Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to create an account on Marco Polo. Now if you want to create an account on Marco Polo but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you have downloaded the Marco Polo app on a device and you want to use the Marco Polo app but you don't know how to create an account, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end. The first thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the app. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you need to simply open the Marco Polo app. So after opening the Marco Polo app, a landing page will appear where you see the option of get started. So click on the option of get started. Now from here you need to choose the country where you are from. So you will see the option of +91. So you need to scroll down and find the country where you are from. So after selecting the country where you are from, you need to enter your number. So after doing all of it, you need to click on the option of next, and you need to simply allow the access if you think that is good for you. So if you don't think that is good for you, you may simply skip it. They will send you a verification code on the number which you have entered, so you need to wait for the code, or also you may open the message app on a device and see if the code has appeared or not. So it has not appeared yet, so let's just wait for it. So after receiving the code, you need to simply enter the code, and you need to enter your first name, the last name, and the email address of your account. So if you want to enter the email address, you need to click on the option of email, and you need to simply write the email address of yours. So after doing all of it, you need to click on the option of next, and if you want to add a photo, you may click on the option of add photo or click on the option of not now to skip this process. So by doing all of it, you need to click on the option of start free trial for now, and it takes you to the page where you need to buy a free trial for now, and you need to subscribe it for now, and after that you may also pay a certain amount of price for a year to subscribe it to the Marco Polo app. So that's it. That's how you can create an account on Marco Polo. Thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.